Hello there. Today we are going to be looking at different model types. LINQ is able to generate different types of models from the content you have created. This allows you to view your model in many different shapes and forms, adjust the level of detail, and present specific model content in a certain way to other people whenever necessary. You access this feature from the toolbar at the top of the screen. And by default, this is set to all nodes. And as you can see, we now have a list that will filter data and present it differently based on your needs. For example, all nodes, single people, and system nodes gives us a single system, single role, as opposed to showing the same role attached to all the various action nodes. We end up with a lot more edges, but it means that there is less content to look at, and a bit more of a focus on the data and the actions involved in a model. Another example is supply chain only. That removes all roles and systems from your model to now understand the flow of information based on work performed. We might just want to have an overview, which is the simplest level of detail. This view looks at the capture actions, the events that start the process off, and then displays the outcome. Next, we may want to look at one of the swim lanes listed here. And the best way to view this is to first switch the direction of your model from left to right. Now we are able to select our swim lane view. The Role Swim Lanes view, Actions Only, lays out your model actions with systems attached. The roles are displayed on the left-hand side here. This view still follows the usual LINQ logic by providing the systems that perform the actions, and each edge is labeled with the information flow. We can also then flip this around and present the system swim lanes, where we see the roles performing the actions with the systems on the left-hand side, and the edges once again labeled with the information flows. The final view we may want to take a look at is the SIPOC view. This is where we lay out the model based on the suppliers, inputs, processes, outputs, and customers, all corresponding again with the LINQ language and edges labeled with information. So to reiterate, this has been a demonstration of the Model Type button, utilized to display your model content in different ways. LINQ provides these different views for various uses in different situations, for yourself to look at or to present to someone else who may resonate better with a more familiar layout. Feel free to try them out next time you're inside a model.